So next one is the construction and representation of DFA. So again, so let the machine M be a deterministic finite automata. So M equal to Q, sigma, delta, Q0 and F. That's a final state where Q is means what? This is a states. Q means states, means Q0 and Q1. Where are that? So Q0 and Q1 are the states. Sigma is a 0 and 1. That's the input set. Q0 is a starting state and Q1 is a final state. And the transition mapping as given below is delta of Q0 0 equal to 0. Means what? With the input 0 on Q0, the next step will be Q0. Means it is a self loop, correct? It is a self loop. Again for the Q0, input 1, the next state will be the Q1. With input 0 on the Q1, the next state will be Q1. And the Q11, again the next state will be Q0. So this format is called as, this transition format is called as tabular format for showing the transition. So the above presentation of transition function is not very readable, correct? So we need the table. Is this readable? No. So we need a table to read easily each input and understand what the inputs are given to their transition is, what is transition is given there. So there are two presentations for transition function. First one is transition table and second one is transition diagram. So in the transition table, so same as it is same, Q0 0 equal to Q0. Then how we will write this? This side there is a states, correct? This side there is a states. This is a, how, why we are showing the arrow? This is a, why we are showing this arrow? Because it is a starting state. It is a starting state. And why we are representing this? Why are representing this star? Because it is a final state. It is a final state. Now, this is the input alphabet. This 0 and 1, this 0 and 1 is the input alphabet. And the now this input is from this tabular format, transition. So from this, from the Q0 with input 0, what is the next state? Q0 with input 0. What is the next state? Q0, Q0. We are writing here is Q0. Same as Q0 with one input. Q0 with one input. What is the next state? What is the next state? It is a Q1. So we are writing here Q1. Now, with a Q1 and with the 0 input on the Q1, what is the next state? It is a Q1. It is a Q1. And Q1 with one input, there is a next state is Q0. This is a state transition table. This is the first format we are representing. Correct? Representation of transition function. So in the state transition table, there is a row for every state. There is a row for every state. For state belongs to Qi, that's the states. Number of states belongs to the states. In the state transition table, there is a column. There is a column for every alphabet. For every alphabet, that's the number of alphabet belongs to the belongs to the sigma. That's a input state. And the starting state is marked as a arrow and the star as a final state. The second one is a state transition diagram. So in the state transition diagram, we are representing as a state transition diagram. How? So with the Q0 and 0, so here already they are given that Q0 is a starting state. Q0 is a starting state. So how we are representing the starting state? With the arrow, correct? So with the arrow, we are representing Q0 is a starting state. And after the mapping or after this tabular format, Q0 of 0 gone to the Q0, correct? How it is happening? Let us show you. So here, Q0 is a starting state, correct? Already given, no? Q0 is a starting state, correct? Then Q0 of 0, where is the next state? Where is the next state? Q0 again, correct? We have done already this much, okay? Now the second one, Q0 with one input. What is the next state? It's a Q1, correct? It's a with the one input. It's a Q1. And here already, as mentioned, Q1 is a final state, correct? Q1 is a final state. So how we are representing the final state? With the double circle, correct? So now the next one is Q1 with the input 0. What is the next state? Q1 again. So it is a self loop, correct? It is a self loop. And again, Q1 with one input. What is the next state? What is the next state? It is a Q0, correct? How we are drawing this diagram? Are you understand? Correct? Now, this is a second type, how you are representing the transition function. First one is a transition table and second one is a transition diagram. So, this is a starting state with this circle and with the arrow. This is a starting state. This is a final state. And this is a state other than starting or final. If something we have a different transition mapping or or inputs. Suppose we have a Q0. Suppose we have again the Q1 and suppose we want Q2 as a final state. Then we are writing this. Now this is a state other than starting or final. This is not a starting also and this is not a final also. We are representing with only circle. So next part will be covered in the next video. Thank you.